Welcome to our video on MIFARE Classic ONIK cards. Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular contactless smart card technologies used in various applications such as public transportation, access control, and more. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to locate the value block on a MIFARE Classic ONIK card. If you're working with these cards, or just curious about their inner workings, this video is for you. We'll break down the concepts into simple, easy to understand parts, so you can gain a deeper understanding of MIFARE Classic ONIK cards and how to work with them efficiently. To understand where the value block is located on a MIFARE Classic ONIK card, let's first clarify what the value block is. In simple terms, the value block is a specific area within the card's memory that stores data in a special format. This block is used for applications that require storing and managing values, such as balances or counters. A MIFARE Classic ONIK card has 1024 bytes of memory divided into 16 sectors. Each sector contains several blocks, typically 4 blocks per sector. The first block in each sector is called the sector trailer block, which stores access control information for that sector. The value blocks are located within these sectors, but are not necessarily tied to a specific location. Instead, they can be identified by their structure and content rather than their absolute position on the card. To locate a value block, you need to understand how MIFARE Classic ONIK data is structured. The memory layout of these cards follows a sector block page paradigm. Each sector contains several blocks, as mentioned, usually 4, and each block is further divided into pages, typically 16 bytes per page. Given the variability in value block locations due to different applications using different sectors for their data storage, finding them involves understanding the specific application's memory map or layout on the card. Think of it like navigating a library where books, sectors, have chapters, blocks, and those chapters might contain sections of interest, value block. Without knowing which book and chapter the section you're interested in is located, finding it requires additional information. The value block on a MIFARE Classic ONIK card stores data in a special format used for applications, managing balances or counters. It's not tied to a specific location, but can be identified by its structure and content within the sectors of the card. Locating it involves understanding the memory layout, specifically knowing which sector an application uses for storing values. In finding the value block on a MIFARE Classic ONIK card requires more than just knowing where to look. It demands understanding how data is structured and stored within these cards. By grasping this fundamental concept, you'll be better equipped to work with MIFARE Classic ONIK technology in your project. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything discussed today, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you understand MIFARE Classic ONIK cards better. And consider subscribing for more content related to smart card technologies and other interesting tech topics.